Alrighty guys, how's it going? I was spitting snow earlier, and now it's a little chilly. I decided to dig this old girl out. I believe this to be, it's not been raining in almost a year. I do believe this is a 10 millimeter red switch metal tag 044. I know the fins are slant. I've never torn apart. As far as I know, it's 100% stock. No muffler mod. 7-pin rim, full comp chain, full chisel. Do not remember what the angles are. I'd probably say it looks like about a 30, probably 30 and about 48 or so. This was not done on a CBN wheel. This was done on my old wheel. But rakers are real low. They probably look like they're at least 35 or so. So let's see if she'll start back up. It took, as long as it's been sitting, it took about 8 pulls, and then she started off. I let it warm up, and we'll see if she'll start back off. Sounds like she's too lean. Let's go try her in some oak. It must have had a summer tune on it. Let's see how it'll do on this oak. I think I can get a cookie off there. I really think these saws were ahead of their time. Just a good all-around saw. That chain's definitely hungry. But I don't know. I just figured I'd bring out a classic and let you guys see a classic. You guys take it easy and have a good one.